Rolling.
All right, guys, we're gonna show our warm-up routine all the way from top to whatever we went today. Okay, so we're gonna start with the march. Right leg first. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. One more time. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 2 steps now. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. One more time. Next, we're gonna step to the front. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. One more time. From here, we go right into the walk it out, right? We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Let's stop right there, okay? This is what we did on Monday. One of the things that I think most people mess up on when we do the forward back is 1, 2, 3, 4. You want to lean back here so you don't put your weight forward. So beginning students, a lot of time I see 1, 2, 3, 4, and then they go back 5, 6, 7, 8. Becomes right, left, right, left. It's right, left, 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 right, left, right. Okay? So let's try that one more time. 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Keep going. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Good. So perfectly you see that we're leaning back on the 4, and even on the 8, we're leaning forward. Okay? So that's the first step. Second one, 2-step. Kenan has a really good style where she goes 1, 2, 3, 4. You could add that arm in. Basically, what you want to take a look at the shoulder. She's going 1, 2 right here. She's turning shoulders. So if I'm going to the right side, 1, 2. Her right shoulder's facing the front. Okay, that's a really cool style. 1, 2. If you want to add the snap, that looks really cool. This is almost like the old Temptation boy band. These are original boy band. 1, 2, do. You know, whatever they're saying right there, right? So snap on that 2. 1, 2. The moment this tap, boom, that's the snap. So it's not 1, 2, 1. That just sounds bad already. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2. Yes. Ooh. Venus has a nice this little circular hip right there. Add that. So every little thing that each dancer put into it, right? Especially if you're gonna do cheerleading, you put your own sauce into it, right? The little, right? So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Good. That's good style. Now, when we do the next one, we jump to the front, all right? A lot of people use this as top rock. They go here, boom, okay? So let's just call it top rocking. But what we're gonna do is you're gonna go 1, 2. On this, I'm gonna add a little style. Watch this. 1, 2. You see how the shoulder, same shoulder. 1, 2 this way. 1, 2, 3, 4. You notice how I'm turning, right? If I go to the right side, right shoulder in front. Left side, left shoulder in front. Okay? So let's do it again. 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay? Again, we do 2-8 count each. Now we go right to the walk. So here's another thing. 1, 2, or 5, 6, 7, 8. Remember how I said on the 7, 8, make sure you go to the back. It's a lot harder, 7, 8, and then you go right this way. It's a little bit more difficult. So we're gonna alternate just 7, 8, right here. 1, 2, 3, 4. What I do here, sorry, we're out of frame. So 3, 4. On the 4, I use the momentum of the arm to make me turn around. Okay? So if you find yourself like 1, 2, 3, try to turn, you gotta use the arm. Okay? Or we kind of talked about 1, 2, 3, and 4. Remember that and 4? That gives a really nice look too. Okay? So let's give that a try. You guys do the and 4, and I'll do the original way. So whichever way you want to do, try both ways when you're at home. Okay? So here you go. From the walk. 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Dude, that sounds so cool when they get it all together, right? Good. Okay, so we have that. Then we go right into the dip. Yeah. 5, 6, 7. Dip. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Again, the key thing to remember, I think for me, is remember booty. Stick out the booty. And the weight is on the back leg. Okay? Weight from the back leg. Back leg, then front. Back leg. So it's almost like my hip is going back and front, back and front, back and front, front, back and front, back and front. Okay? So that would be the key. And also add a little clap. 5, 6, do the 1, 2, 4, 5, 6. One more time. 2, 3, 4. Now I'm gonna add a little bit of a style to it. I'm gonna dip. I'm really gonna sink in on that. I'm gonna go 2. You see how I'm really bending both knees? It adds a little bounce to it. Okay? So let's give that a try. Let's add that bounce. 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 2, 4, 6. So the key part is on that turn, right? It's a little bit hard on the turn. So you gotta use, what I do is I go here and I use this arm to bring that around. Okay? Good. What's next? Biz marquee. Biz marquee. 5, 6, 7, 8. Hop. Boom. Now the little hop, you don't need a lot of room. You could just almost like just a slop. Boom here. Boom. And when you land, make sure your knees are bent. So I'm not gonna land down straight up. Keep low. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And one of the things is, instead of just clapping, I almost like, I go 1, keep this hand here. This one kind of just smack. Smack. 6, 7, 8. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Good. And we do 2 8 counts of that. And what do we do? 5, 6, 8, tail stop. Boom, 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 boom. Same thing with the 8 tail stop. You don't have to jump so far. You can if you want to. You want to try to explore your movement, your momentum. But it's just here, boom. See how it's just here. So one thing to try, right, for if you have too much impact, just here. Boom, boom. See how I just pivot here? Boom, boom. Could try that, okay? And what I do, when I land on the ball of my feet. So it's never, don't land flat, land on the ball of your feet. Boom, boom. Right, when I land here, boom. If you leave your heel off the ground, that's okay too.